What's up, everybody? Hope you had a great week. Thanks for tuning in. We are back with another adventure. We are going exploring in the mountains, and it's going to be a good time as usual. I think it's a good time. I don't know. Meeting up with Kate and Braun. We're going to hit a few trails. I want to let you guys know that we are working on some merchandise because people have been asking for it. Some stickers, some clothing. Hopefully that'll be coming soon, but I'm just trying to make sure that the quality is good because I don't want to, tell you guys stuff that's crap because that'd be lame. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. All right, so where are we headed?
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Adventure is defined in the dictionary as engaging in a hazardous and exciting activity, especially the exploration of unknown territory. And I'd say this defines what we do pretty well.
We're out on these back roads trying to find where we popped out of the mountain in the Dangerous Adventure video, because we're going to run up the mountain on that trail in reverse and then go explore some more, because we've never been up there except for that one time. But right now we're just having trouble finding it. We almost ended up at the US border, so I think we're close up.
Oh, it's border patrol or some kind of police type thing.
Yeah, definitely.
Over here, down somewhere up here.
Sounds good.
After getting our bearings and finding the trailhead, we began the steep ascent back into the mountains.
Such a sharp corner. Alright, we found the trail we're looking for, so we're gonna head on up and see what the day's got in store, I guess.
Some of the water had dried up in places since our last visit, leaving behind some slick mud holes. On an ascent, these can be a fun challenge to get through.
Branches. Whoa! That was a big one.
It wasn't long before we hit some deep water, and then it started to snow.
We kind of thought winter was over, but it is snowing like giant snowflakes. It's awesome. Ah!
As we descended our first obstacle, my brakes started to fail from mud. This makes for an interesting descent when you're looking straight down. It can be really peaceful off-roading sometimes, even when you're doing things that are really extreme activities. It's part of what I love about doing this. As we started descending another steep section of the trail, my brakes were once again not working very well due to mud. I did manage to make it through okay though.
Just stopped for a bit of a lunch break. It's getting pretty windy out here. Hoping the wind doesn't pick up much more. I don't like wind.
That one goes gonna trash my Jeep. Did it break off of there? Or is that a different one? I don't like being stuck in the spot.
Ah yes, the day I almost died in a windstorm. Good times.
That tree almost took out my Jeep. I know. Here, now we gotta cut two. Whoa, I hear one. Look out. Dude, we better get out of here.
I don't know if you can hear it, but woo, it's blowing. Branches everywhere. Good old Fiskars. Been following this trail for a while now. Pretty interesting.
As we got higher and higher in elevation, the snow started dumping more and more. It wasn't long before there were no longer any tracks in front of us.
Quite the descent that we're doing here on our way out of this trail system. It's a really thin trail on an off-camber side of a mountain, and there's snow, so it's been a little slippery, a little bit sketchy, but I think we're almost out, and it's been fun. Yeah.
Yeah. That was some fun view trails.
Yeah. Too windy for me.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss what we're going to do next week. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments, and I'll try to respond to as many people as possible. My name is Sean, and this is the story till now.
Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them in, talk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go.